Sorry, I thought you were guiding me. No, actually, I'm good. I'm good, man. I don't need to deal with that. Bye.
Our home loan experts fully understand the HARP guidelines. New year, new chance to get organized.
Is there a reason you're so close to me, sir?
I didn't expect you to stop right there.
I have my blinker on.
Yeah, there's also a no U-turn sign right there too.
What's that?
There's also a no U-turn sign right there, and I thought your blinker.
I just got called.
I thought your blinker was on as you were switching lanes
No, I
over.
was trying to make a U-turn, letting you know because I just got called to an accident.
Yeah.
All right, I can write you a ticket for tailgating. All right, that's not only just a cop car, it's any car. All right, please give it a little space. All right, sir?
Yes, I will.
Okay, you take care.
Ceasefire will continue war by Israel. While the Speaker overall comment about statement announcing in such a situation, negotiation is reasonable. U.S. military needs to cease silent on this question. But the Wednesday evening, Vice President J.D. Vance stated on the RR&BD, Israel is extending the ceasefire military conversation between the Israelis
and the leadership of our country today. I haven't been involved in that because I've been busy doing stuff in Hungary. I've actually...
Video protected.
Let me say a couple things. First of all, I actually think there's a lot of bad faith negotiation and a lot of bad faith, propaganda going on. I think this...
What the?
Unlock your car now. Unlock your car.
Got another Tesla crash video. 2023 Model Y. And that's it.
Trust anybody? To be quite honest.
Head-on collision. That's how that happens.
7 men are dead. 8, the Queen corrected. Sheetar died this morning at the blow Lord Stark gave him.
What
Abductions, road, and drunken slaughter in the streets. The king said, I will not have it, Ned.
What
Catch
the?
us.
I'll stereotype real quick, unless you're like on the soft.
Oh, that sucks. I'm so sorry, bro. I'm so sorry.
What the f?
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, man.
Crud.
Pulled right into him.
Yeah, you did. All right, let's be a witness to that. AUS055, Minnesota.
Just trying to go over my thing there. Keep going, roll over.